Hello, Ron Miller here again. Going to go over the next steps. Now that you've got your workshop put in and you've got your principal or director to approve, now what are the next steps? So once it's approved, you'll have to pop back into your workshop and now to be shown under approved. I want to refresh that. And the one that I want to look at is going to be this UBW Advanced. So I'm going to click on it, view edit, and the next step will be to actually put an evaluation on it. So when you come into this screen, it'll actually look like this. Pardon me for having to clean that up, but I've been in here playing a lot. So check. So again, I'm on the evaluation tab. I'm going to click on evaluation is required for course credit. That's going to be our default. And I'm going to choose OCS template, and then I'm going to say apply template, and it'll actually put in everything in there that we put in. Okay, and then it's just a matter of returning to the list and doing another one or going on to another project. Now there's going to be the next step, of course, after the PD is over, or if a session of the PD is over, you're going to have to go in and put in CU credit, the attendance. There's going to be a couple different ways to do that. You could do it right within here, right? I mean, you could go to view edit, go to workshop attendance, and actually check here, save it, move on. Okay, but I'm thinking that it's actually going to be faster to do it a different way, right? So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to CEU workshops, and I'm going to go to apply CEUs. And so once your workshop is over, it's going to show up here, and it's only have one, so it's selected, but I'm going to hit continue. And in this screen, you could go in and do any attendance changes that you needed to do. Okay. Now, let's say you had somebody that left early or came in late, and they're only going to get partial CU credit. During the days, it's not really going to make the change for you, and you can actually make the change right on the screen as you're putting in the attendance. How do you do that? So I have to go in here and first modify the CU credits, and so let's say this is only going to be 1, and instead of technology and DLC, it's actually going to be other for this one. Okay, so I can even switch to that point. So there's my 1 CU. Oops, my 1 CU there. I'm just typing in a 0 here to get rid of that. I don't think you have to hit save here, but I like doing it anyway, just to make sure it's all nice and clean and that everything's accepted. And then you actually can hit approve, and there's your confirmation. Okay, it'll actually show up there. Then you go, oops, I made a mistake. You can fix it right here, right now. So this is still highlighted, so I'm going to say reset selected, and are you sure? Yes. And so you can actually see that it put it back. But once you have everything on the screen like you want, now one last note that I probably would do if I was giving somebody less credit, I'd say I'd put a note in here: left early on second day, reduced can't even type CU by 0.8 or whatever. Okay, save it. I would probably put a note in there if you're going to modify somebody's number of CU credits. So once you hit approve and it's actually approved, you're done. You can return the list and do the next one, and that should be it. So guys, happy entering workshops.